First, you need to make a payment link to send to your client or customers to accepting payments online using Stripe. And to do that, click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen. You may actually accepting the payment by sending an invoice in an email, make a subscription or a payment link. But the general way is using a payment link, so select the payment link option. On this page, tap on the product type. You may then select these choices if you want to sell a product, services, or a subscription to your client, or choose the second one if you want to accept tipping or anything like that as the payment. We are gonna go for the first one. Then you can choose your product to sell if you already have any product. And if there is no product at all, click on add new product right here. You may then add a new product, starting from a name of the product, a description, and an image of your product. Then at the pricing, you may select one-off if it's a one-time pay, or you can also select it to be recurring, where customers have to pay at a certain time, like daily or weekly. Then you may insert the prices over here as you intended, while also determine the billing period as you like. In this section, you can change the currency of your product. After all of that, click on Add Product button. On this page, then, you can edit the product quantity. You may also adjust other options over here. After you are sure with everything, click on Create Link button. There you go. Here is your payment link of the product that we just created. You can click on the button with page icon to copy the link and to charge it to your customer and accepting the payment with Stripe. You can paste the link on the WhatsApp chat, Facebook chat, Instagram DM, or other social media, even using your email. Either way, this is what your client will see, the checkout page of yours with your currency, so you can start to accepting the payment using Stripe. Just to let you know that you can always adjust or customize the payment method over here to suit your client more. To do that, click on the gear icon at the Stripe homepage to go to your settings. Scroll down until you see the payments option at the product settings section. Then tap on Payment Method subpage. On this window, you can then scroll down and choose which payment option are more suitable for your client or customer, which will occur later on your Stripe checkout page. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.